How to upload contacts with easy texting. Before you start texting, make sure that each contact has opted in to receive text messages from you or your business. There are 3 different ways for contacts to be added to your lists. The first option is manual upload. To start, log into your account. Click on the Upload button in the Contacts menu. Then click Add Contacts in the top right. And then simply enter in your contacts information. You also have the option to add your contacts to a group, but this step is optional. When finished, click Create. This will bring you back to the Contacts page, where you can see all the details of your contacts in the display table. Another option for adding your contacts is through bulk uploading. Bulk uploading is the fastest way to get all of your current contacts into your account. Click on the Upload button in the Contacts menu. It's best to already have your file ready for upload before going any further. To make it easier for you, we have included a contact list template you can download by simply clicking on the handy template link. Make sure when you're finished entering your contacts into the template, you save the spreadsheets as a .csv file. You can now drag your contact spreadsheet into the field to upload it, or browse for the file by clicking Select a File. Make sure the information from your file matches the information of the system headers. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Continue. Select the group to which the uploaded contacts will be placed. There is also an option to create a new group. You will have to agree to the terms and conditions before clicking on Finish. Your contacts will now display under the Contacts and Groups page. There is also an option for clients to add themselves to your contact lists. This is done primarily through keywords, which enable the text-to-join functionality. Your free trial includes a keyword. When customers text your keyword, for example, promotions, to the number you give them, they're automatically added to your account in the group you select and receive your customized auto-response. To set up your demo keyword, click Keywords and Numbers in the navigation panel. Then click on Add Keyword. Type the keyword you want in the text box and click Search. If the keyword you request is available, you will have the option to click Activate Keyword. Next, connect your keyword to a group. Your upload will now be processed, and an acknowledgement of your upload will display at the top of the account. You've now successfully added contacts to your Easy Texting account. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.